We wait thousands of years for visible changes.
Have you started to fear for your position?
Well, everything indicates that the clear distinction between humans and robots will soon disappear.
And then what?
Grüß dich zurück zu der Invisible. Wir sind hier an dieser Stelle zurück und müssen diese Gespräche jetzt halt nochmal machen. Ja, ich habe mich mit dem Thema schon noch nie befasst und momentan ist es mir eigentlich relativ blunze. Ich nehme das wieder fertig.
We won't be limited by our own abilities. Robots will excel in areas where we either cannot or do not want to surpass them. To put it bluntly, they will do the dirty work for us.
And we'll just sit in the warm privacy of a laboratory? Send them to the other side of the universe?
Yeah, that's one example.
Well, I don't know.
Shh, Astrogator. Can you hear that?
What am I supposed to be hearing?
That's the point. Nothing. Silence. We're talking about robots, and Dr. Gorski still hasn't spoken on the channel.
Well, I don't know. He must be a long way from here.
Ja, wir suchen den Dr. Gorski. Mal schauen, wo wir ihn finden. Aber das haben wir gestern schon gemacht, dieses Stück.
Dr. Gorski? Are you here somewhere? These bushes are kind of weird.
You better stay away, Doctor. I'd like a brief description. Just keep a distance.
Allow me to use the language I would use to describe living forms, sir.
Of course.
So they look like pituitary, brush-like formations. They can be singular, though in some locations they create a uniform thicket that covers the walls of the ravine in a rusty brush-like layer. They grow out of cracks in the bare rock.
Eigenartig. Kurz noch einen Blick. Einstellungen. Grafik braucht man nicht. Gesamtlautstärke. Dann machen wir noch ein bisschen mehr. Ich drehe die Musik ein bisschen runter, die Soundeffekte ein bisschen runter. Den Rest können wir eigentlich hier lassen.
Astrogator, Gorski's not here. I'm afraid he continued to explore. And if he went where I think he did, he might have lost contact with the camp as well as Dragonfly.
So we will most likely lose contact too.
Possibly. Well, there's only one way to be certain. It's your decision, sir.
Please continue your search. We have to find him.
You may...
I'm going to the doctor.
The line's breaking up, but I understood. I'll let you know, sir, when I come out of the tunnel.
Altitude 24,000. Speed 250. Go smoothly, Hopper. Already at 12,000. Throttle down. 30 seconds till touchdown. Everything's looking good. Over?
Roger that.
Altitude 5,000. Ignition 10%. I record data dropout, but otherwise still looking good. Entering final descent. 40 seconds.
Copy. Entering final. Hopper has landed. I repeat, Hopper has landed. Astrogator, can you hear me?
Loud and clear. Any side effects? Landing wasn't too hard on you?
All good? Spine still in one piece. No signs of overstrain. Not even shortness of breath.
Perfect. Hopefully the hike to camp goes just as smoothly.
I'm going outside.
Visibility?
100%. The dust has already settled. I've located the second lander. Our people are still on this planet.
Ah,
Sir, something's wrong.
what is it?
The hatch is half open. Did they report hydraulics failure?
How should I know? You were the last person in contact with the crew, Doctor.
Right. I'm inside.
And? How is it?
Even if they wanted to, they couldn't go back to Dragonfly. Their lander looks damaged, to put it mildly. Or more accurately, it seems like a storm has passed through it.
Understood. I mean, I don't understand how it happened. But that means...
Hopper is the only vehicle that can take us home. Affirmative.
Right. Well, then we can't afford another mistake. I'm taking the lander into orbit. I'll send it directly to the camp as soon as we find a suitable landing zone.
We've gotten out of worse than this. Equipment breaks from time to time, that's normal. But now,
Go ahead. What's bothering you?
this lack of communication. It takes too long. Especially considering there's a cyberneticist amongst them.
Yes. It worries me too.
Stand jetzt, nur dass ihr gleich wisst, wenn ihr den Kanal schon länger verfolgt, es folgt noch ein Spiel, englische Sprachausgabe und deutsche Untertitel. Da habe ich das Buch angefangen und die erste Staffel auf DVD, aber dazu später mehr. Geh weiter in die Richtung des Lagers. Camp. Ah, hier sind wir. Das ist aber ein ordentlicher Weg. Naja. Ich wollte schon immer mal über einen scheiß leeren Planeten laufen.
Whoa. Damn. You were right, Cobble. It's beautiful here.
Das ist jetzt aber nicht dein Ernst, Mädchen, oder? Ah, hier sind wir. Was ist hier überhaupt? Side 1? Das heißt, wir müssten es eigentlich bald mal rechts abbiegen. Ich müsste mal schauen, wie das Buch zu Deutsch geheißen hat.
They stopped for a break.
How do you know? Are there any signs of the crew?
Hier hat jemand geraucht. Ja, ich rauche auch gleich eine.
I found a cigarette butt and a pack. Someone was smoking here,
So, they didn't give a damn about the regulations.
disrupting the ecosystem.
That's not the point. I understand you want to minimize the effects of our interference here, Doctor, but the mission's safety is at stake. I don't think I have to explain to you the dangers of igniting a dusty atmosphere. Preserving the integrity of Regis 3's already extinct ecosystem is not a priority in this scenario. Negligible, actually.
Ah. Beides.
Security procedures exist for humans. The rule of integrity is... Excuse my interruption, sir. Can you please confirm that I'm on the correct route?
Yes, I confirm. This raid will reach the camp within an hour. So, continuing.
We shouldn't place one above the other.
We say, Yasna. The mission and the safety of our people have the highest priority. Always.
Always? Are we really that self-righteous?
Of course, Doctor. We must be the most important to ourselves. And they must be the most important to themselves. Whoever they will be. In the end, the strongest will survive. Isn't that how evolution works?
Not in a biological sense, Astrogator. Besides, I'm not convinced if we should interfere with everything alien to us just because we can.
Doctor, interference is at the heart of human nature. Man would still be a monkey if he'd only looked at trees instead of cutting them down.
Yes, we have a nasty nature. I can't argue with that.
Tja, der Sinn des Lebens. Kurz noch einen Blick. Bin ich jetzt hier richtig? Okay, ja. Hier hinter diesem Felsen. Da rechts durch diesen komischen irgendwas. Sorry, dass ich jetzt etwas ruhiger bin, aber ich genieße gerade irgendwie die Atmosphäre. BZW, die Musik. Kurz einen Blick. Hier müssen wir entlang.
Found a convenient passage.
Excellent. Please speed ahead. We still have a long way to go.
Well then, you should save your breath, Astrogator.
Hier haben wir Wasser. Ich nehme mal an, dass wir jetzt hier rauf müssen. Bingo. Achso, wir hätten hier auch weitergehen können. Na egal. Wenn wir jetzt nicht alle neben Hauptschauplätze machen, ist wurscht. Mich interessiert eh die Hauptgeschichte und die möchte ich jetzt ein bisschen vorantreiben.
This? Astrogator, I found a peculiar inorganic structure. It looks like some spiky metal growths.
Artificial plants? Is spontaneous growth possible with this type of structure?
I've never seen anything like this. I wish I had time to run some tests.
When the situation is stabilized, we will take samples. I promise.
Ja, ja, das sagen sie dann alle. Hier müssen wir jetzt durch wahrscheinlich, gell? Richtig. Ach so. Okay.
Oh. I feel nauseous. Suddenly.
Please don't push me. Been on the surface for just under half an hour.
That's not it. I feel darkness. Hang on.
Kann man hier rauf? Nö. Ja, aber wo muss ich jetzt lang? Hier runter oder da weiter? Okay, unsichtbare Mauern versperren mir den Weg. Da müssen wir mal hier schauen. Vielleicht finden wir ja hier was. Nö. Schauen wir mal auf die Karte. Das gibt's ja nicht. Irgendwo muss es ja eine Lösung geben für das Problem. Ja sicher, wir müssen hier weiter. Nö, nö. Jetzt ist die Markierung hier. Ja, halt dich noch fest daran, du. Und das, was du links immer siehst, was hier aufleuchtet, das zeigt dir einfach den Weg fürs Comic. Also das Comic zeigt dir an, welchen Weg du gegangen bist. Es soll angeblich mehrere Enden geben. Wir suchen uns eines aus und dann schauen wir, wie das Spiel wird. Oder wie das Spiel gesamt ist. Genau. Machen wir es kurz und schmerzlos. Und der Rest ergibt sich dann, wenn wir soweit sind.
Are you there? Over. I guess that's a no.
Breathe!
What's going on, sir? Astrogator?
Dr. Yasna. I tried to resuscitate him, but
No, please. Koval?
Dr. Krauter.
How? There was nothing wrong with him.
Hypothalamic shock. He bled out during the flight.
I still don't understand. He wasn't hurt.
His injuries must have occurred later. I found him like this when I entered Hopper.
Aha, jetzt sind wieder alle schuld. Ja. Was machen wir jetzt? Wir nehmen einfach ene mene Miste, auch du kommst in die Kiste.
I'm sorry. It's on me. It's my fault.
No, Doctor. As Commander, I take full responsibility.
But it was me that left him.
On my order. You're too hard on yourself, as usual.
If only I...
Stop it, really.
Hier.
Please, stop. If is a very cruel word. You don't deserve its torment.
Ja, hätte
I
Fahrradkette.
confirm. Gorski was here. His rope is still hanging from the slope.
That's a good sign. Since he left it, he intends to come back this way.
Why hasn't he yet? Going down after him. Tell me one thing, sir. What did you do with Crowter's body?
I placed him in a cryochamber.
Are you going to use a grave tapper?
Yes, I'm considering that. Jasna, report.
One sec. Oh, I'm at the end of the rope.
Isn't that good?
Not at all.
What do you mean?
I'm stuck. I'm hanging with all my weight on the rope, away from the wall. There's still a fair few meters left to the ground.
Can you go back?
Using just my hands, strapped with all this extra weight? No, not a chance.
What if you sway?
I can just jump off.
Is that safe?
I think it is.
You think? You shouldn't base your safety on assumptions.
Ja, was soll ich denn machen, du Pferd? Habe ich eine andere Wahl?
Do I have another choice? I can't grow wings, can I?
Are you having a hard time keeping your position?
I'm hanging limp.
Right, let's take a moment to think it through.
I'm thinking, if Gorski went down this way and didn't break anything,
Yeah, we don't know that, Yasna. He could keep going even with injuries.
Und? Man stirbt nur einmal, oder?
okay, this is a waste of time. You only die once. Here we go.
What's happening? Did you fall?
I jumped.
Status, please. Can you walk?
Yes. No fractures.
Please stop for a moment. Make sure you're all right.
No, there's no need for a delay. Dr. Gorski is waiting.
Jetzt weiß ich, an was mich das alles hier erinnert.
Contact with Regis a few minutes after noon. Then Dr. Gorski was walking alone. Communications blew up shortly before he got here. He didn't take a tent. Anyway, what's the idea of doing it alone? I hope he
Was
has a
ist
good
das?
reason.
Unglaublich.
Damn. This place is amazing. It's all made up of these structures. Except they don't look like creations of nature anymore.
Maybe that's why Dr. Gorski, not to mention the Alliance.
Well, if we're looking for something on this planet, this could be it. These structures form entire multi-story complexes. They look like a city.
Are you saying that
No. There's no point in jumping to conclusions yet.
Kurzer Blick.
Oh shit, the telemeter glass cracked.
I wouldn't worry. What matters is that you're fine.
Anyway,
Da.
are you receiving a signal?
What signal?
From Dr. Gorski.
No, none. Why are you asking?
He tried to open up a connection, set up a transmitter.
There's nothing on the comms. But I'll check the record history. Please give me a moment.
I can't even see the bottom.
The structures go that deep.
Yes, I dread to think. What if Dr. Gorski fell down there?
I took that into account when calibrating the probe. It will examine the bottom. I'll let you know if I find him. Two more hours.
Huh?
That's all Gorski has left of oxygen, at best.
And at worst?
He's just finishing it up. Though it all depends on his activity.
If I
Keine
remember
Ahnung.
correctly, the atmosphere here is breathable.
Basically, yes. Dr. Krauter, however, warned that the methane content...
I know. But the effects won't be immediate. That gives us a few extra hours.
Na, du bist ja sehr optimistisch, Mädchen. Jetzt weiß ich, an was mich
How's the terrain?
das
The
erinnert.
structures, are they still everywhere?
Yep, wherever I look, there's metal.
Wow. Wir sind jetzt hier. Ja, mehr wie abstürzen können wir nicht. Kann man hier drüber gehen?
Jasna, what's going on?
Just a sec. I need to get out. Phew. Again.
Maybe you should use the detector. Will indicate the thickness of the structures.
out of the frying pan. Into a hole. I'm gonna sound like a broken record, but the oceanic forms here are similar to those on Earth. So there should be similarities on land as well.
Similarities?
Life, Astrogator. I still think there should be life on the surface of Regis 3.